Welcome back. Now inside of the settings area in Stripe, you also have default billing settings. So if you click the settings link and then you come to the middle where the Stripe apps reside, what you're going to do is you're going to click this link that says billing settings. Now Stripe does have a number of things that you're going to see by default. You're going to have automatic retries when for some reason a subscription has failed. And of course, if you have a way that you want to do it specifically, you can actually change those rules to custom by clicking this button. Now, once you've invoiced someone and you have a certain number of days, you can set the invoice so that the individual will get reminders from Stripe. The one thing that you do have control over is the system of emails that Stripe will send on your behalf for renewal reminders, failed payments, and expiring cards. What you can also do is if you have an online account set up where individuals can change their information, you can add that information inside of Stripe. And when you invoice individuals manually, you can change some of the text inside of the email that goes out by writing in to these dialog boxes. And we will cover invoices in a separate video. You can change the default setting for manual payments. So routinely, if you're going to be invoicing an individual and you want them to pay right away, you can change this default setting from 30 days to 1 day. And generally, whatever payment methods that you set up for Stripe, those are going to be the default payment methods that individuals can use in order to pay you. In this case, we have ACH and credit cards. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.